guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, it is Thursday. It is keto cocktail time and we are doing Nurse Ratchet. Yes, we are still doing Halloween. I'm so excited. So this will be the second to the last one. So we're doing this one and then there'll be one more. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the ingredients. All right, we are doing, Deep Eddys cranberry vodka. This is my girlfriend's favorite of the Deep Eddys. We need a little bit of citrus. We're going to use lemon. I made a cranberry simple syrup. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's quite simple. I used monk fruit sugar, so you will need a monk fruit sugar or a keto low carb sugar. Whole cranberries. I got them from the just the frozen ones are fine. Keep some of them and dust them with the monk fruit sugar and put them in the freezer. All right, the other ingredient, Prosecco. And I love that they do these half bottles now, especially since I do these videos. I don't have to open a whole bottle of Prosecco. And a little bit of red edible glitter. You need a syringe. Bear with me. Equal parts water and monk fruit sugar. Right here. This will start out cloudy. Now I know I've made this lots of times, but some of you are new here, so this will start out cloudy and then it'll go clear. Once it goes clear, we'll add the cranberries. So I'm going to keep some of them out into like a little ramekin because I'm going to put a little monk fruit sugar on them and as a garnish. So we're just going to put them in here. And then I'm going to put them in the freezer. If it is done, I'm going to add the cranberries. Drain it into a little Pyrex and it'll be ready to go. Now, the best glass for this, a rocks glass. A nice, clear, plain, simple rocks glass. Perfect for this cocktail. All right, we've got our shaker with ice, but before we do that, we're going to go ahead and take a little bit of the monk fruit sugar, and I'm going to use a little bit of dish because we're just going to rim the glass. Right, so what we're going to do is take the glass, dip it into that simple syrup, cranberry, and then we're going to just rim the glass. And then we have a beautiful, nice pinky red color. In our cocktail shaker, do half an ounce of that cranberry simple syrup. 3/4 ounce of the Deep Eddys. We need a little citrus. I'm just gonna take, this is about 1/4 of an ounce of lemon. You know the drill. How many times have I said this? We're gonna give this a good shake. All right, you guys, so this is nice and chilled. This into a separate glass. Add a little bit of red edible glitter. Give it a little swirl. Grab that syringe. There we go. We're gonna fill it. And there's going to be more than you need. We pop the Prosecco. Woo! Gorgeous. Sit the syringe in there. Take a few of the frozen sugared cranberries and add them in. Okay, now this is the interactive fun part of Nurse Ratchet. You get to shoot into the glass. Wow. All right, Nurse Ratchet, let's give her a try. It's really good. This is one of the lighter cocktails, so sometimes I do a very, I don't want to say heavy, but certainly very alcohol-filled cocktail. This is a really light cocktail. By the way, this is so pretty. Minus the syringe, you could definitely serve this for the holiday. In like a coupe glass, it would be stunning, stunning for the holiday. I almost want to go throw it in a coupe glass, but I can't. Would I change anything? Absolutely not. It's a fun, interactive drink. It's what we're going to be serving, one of a couple that we will be serving at our Halloween party. All right, you guys, well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, will you take a minute, hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.